What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video. Today I am getting emeralds for I am trading emeralds, a stack of emeralds, and if I go to /W8R space any of this, which I need to go to path, that'll lead me close to my house, I just stand still. I just stand still. Oh! Creeper, stop. Creeper, stop.
Yeah.
Oh! Creeper, I swear, stop.
One more time. Oh, guys, I did it too soon.
So yeah, I do this. So yeah, my house is over there. Creeper's house is over there.
So
Green's
mad.
over there.
So mad.
That is,
Show 'em.
this is a sugarcane farm. Creeper wanted me to show you. Yeah, just a sugarcane. So yeah. So I have to give him a stack of these or 3 stacks of these. I could either do 3 stacks of these emeralds, which is not that bad, but I don't want to work hard for it. So there's one thing I could do that just I could do like 1 stack for this, plus I'm done with my villagers. So I have that much, and I have almost that much. So I'm gonna do I'm gonna give them these extra 2 villagers here with 1 stack of this. I did this side last night, so I had to do one of the or the other. That is Mantis' house. Whenever I have an elytra, I'll show you what I'm doing. And this is why I'm getting emeralds for him, because Green is gonna give me an elytra. So yeah, I want an elytra. People. I want an elytra.
Hey guys, comment down below if I can embarrass him on his video.
Please don't. So all I have to do is turn this into wood. And then that'll bring me a lot of wood. And then I just have to turn it into sticks. A lot of sticks. Ooh, I can make an emerald block. I'm going to. I would probably make...
I'll give you my emerald, but I'm made, so no.
Spawn block. That's what I want to get. I'm going to stick this one.
Yes, I want to get that too.
Make a trampoline.
Trampoline to do.
Yeah, he's just being rude this morning.
$100. I'm sorry, I'm done. Do not even embarrass me. Comment down below.
Yeah, please don't. I got one more wood up. But look how much sticks I have. Yeah, now I'm gonna go trade him at the castle. Just do that. Just have it empty. Check what I'm building. Guys, comment down below if you want to see that when it's finished. I am making a arena. I am making a arena. Oh yeah, Creeper, show him your boots. He got Frostwalker. So we could show you what it does. Are you teleporting to the castle? Look what Green is starting to do. He's starting to make a like a wall.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Oh, he teleported to the creeper farm and he
No,
already did
that's a
that.
lie.
So now I have to wait about 15 minutes.
No, I don't. Alright, guys, want to see my boots?
Just a sec, I can show them once I'm done trading.
You want to see my boots, Danny?
Okay, that one's out. Then I can trade more.
Elsa!
So I could do that. Oh yeah, check out his boots. First thing to do is
Hold up, don't look.
alright, he doesn't want to show you yet. So I'm doing this.
Okay, now.
Wait.
Nope.
You want to see his boots now? Comment down below if you want me to get this. Walk, creeper. Walk on the water.
Guys,
Check this out.
I'm Elsa.
He's Elsa from Frozen. Okay, I'm lagged. I'm a bit lagged, guys. Yeah, I'm lagged. I tried to hit him. Didn't take enough kill. Oh, you left.
Oh, I left. Oh, guys, I left.
Anyway. Yeah, so I have 45.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back on. Go over there.
Okay, I have 45 emeralds. Now I'm aiming for a stack. So I'm aiming for about a stack. Oh, I need food. This is like a family garden. Like, all of us. Creeper, green, me, 180, mantis. We all can have this garden. Just like a family.
I joined that.
Yeah, you joined. Wait, just a sec, we'll show you the review. But just right now, I'm lagged.
Here's my boots. I'm Elsa.
Come on, guys.
I'm Elsa.
There we go. I ain't nothing creeper. He wants it to be a surprise. He just bought these today. Once I'm done getting an elytra, then I am gonna get that. You need books and you need a bunch of emeralds. Luckily, right now I can get it, but I don't really have a book. But I have enough emeralds. As you can see down below, I got plenty of emeralds. Okay, check this out, viewers.
Guys, I'm Elsa. Let it go!
Wait, either you're lagged or I'm... Okay, let it go. Let it go. This is what Frostwalker does. If you break it, it starts to... Bro, you almost drowned me, bro. You almost drowned me. Oh yeah, DCMC's in the background. Hey, you almost drowned me again.
Okay, hello viewers.
Yeah, DCMC. He hasn't really commented because he doesn't really know how. It's mostly me. And me. Like, well, when it was us doing it, when it was us and Hunter Diamond, when it was us and DSMZ, then we used to
I'm about to drown, guys. I'm about to drown. I don't know how to swim.
When it was us and DSMZ, I used to be Fire Shark, he used to be Wizard. But now we changed the name. As we all know, Creeper and Hunter Diamond. Even though Creeper is stealing my name. He is now known as Hunter Diamond, and I am now known as literally Creeper. Cause he blows up stuff, and I hunt those diamonds. As you, like on Discord, you like, do I hunt diamonds, and I blow up stuff. That's literally our, technique.
Whoa, I just froze this.
Creeper just froze something. He just froze a lake by the thing I showed you. Yeah, I need food. I need food. I cannot even sprint. I am so lagged. This is how you could tell I'm lagged. Okay, so I need to trade sticks. Okay, all these guys are frozen, so that means I am lagged. There we go. Wait, so that's how to stop. Oh guys, just a sec. I am so lagged. Just a sec, please. I'm gonna help Creeper.
And if he wants one of these bullets or two, let's do a 2-stack or 1-stack.
Of what, Creeper?
Huh?
Of what?
Of wood.
Oh, that ain't happening.
Yeah, it is.
No, it ain't.
Yeah. But you don't move me, Hunter Diamond.
Oh yeah, if you move, starts all over. Oh, sweet.
Oh, sweet, isn't it?
Anyway, ooh, I'm almost to a stack. Ooh, yeah, I'm really close to a stack. And then I will get an elytra pretty soon.
Wait, question, if I give Hunter Diamond?
That's our friend. He's in the room. But, no. Okay.
Yeah, that's all fun in the room. That's all fun. And Hunter Diamond?
Yep.
If I give you all my emeralds right now.
How much emeralds do you have?
1 and 7.
17.
Mhm. If you do,
I need like 3.
3 emeralds?
Yeah.
Get bunny here, boy.
Or I could just wait for like a few.
I can give you some.
Okay. Yeah, I could just give me 3 emeralds.
Alright, come over. Come to us, Wi-Fi.
Alright, guys. Warp space. If it loads
If you can help me get
there we go. Fortress and portal. That's where I'm gonna go get a book.
can you help me get
spider farm. Here we go.
Can it help me get breaking speed?
Yeah, I have to help him get unbreaking 3. Don't care.
I'm getting it for this.
Yeah. We'll be back after the lag. Alright guys, we are back after the lag. So, Creeper, give me 3 emeralds.
1.
There, that's a stack. So let me go back to the path.
That's actually a stack.
Let me just go back to the path. And then I have to stand still. And I'm here.
That's how much that emerald is.